What is going on? This is AlTone, and this is the SJCAM SJ11 active 4K camera, and it's a nice action camera. We're going to take this guy out of the box and see what it comes with. Just want to do that quick unboxing, and we're going to be, really trying it out. So SJCAM actually sent this out to me to try out, and I really appreciate it. I am always in need of an additional action camera. So as we open the box up, you're presented with the action camera itself in a case, which I think is really, really cool. And let's go ahead and take this out. And then you have all the accessories that it comes with. So let's take a look here. There's the camera itself. You do have some protective screens and whatnot to take off of this guy. Nice. Has a locking mechanism across the top here. Your power button is, or your shutter button is available, and you have a screen on the back. It's also protected. Then you have this, what looks like a regular action camera mount on this case. Don't think it's built into the camera itself, but we're going to check out some of the different things that comes with. So you have a couple of different attachments here, like a handlebar attachment. Then you have some 3M two-sided, looks like two-sided mounting tape. Another attachment here, a battery. We'll see if there's a battery installed in it as well. Your battery charger, you can charge 2 batteries at the same time. Another attachment, so you can put these together so that you can attach it in different ways and different angles and whatnot to give you a little bit of flexibility, which is one thing I really like. Then you have these mounting points with 3M tape on them, or 3M adhesive, and they're super sticky. I can tell you this is the best type of mounting system that you could think of. And then you have 2 USB-A to USB-C cables, which I imagine you can use for charging and for other purposes as well. And then an additional mounting point, with a 1/4-20 on the bottom. So you can use this as well to mount it. So many different mounting options, and even a nice little plastic camera cage here as well. So you have an additional camera cage that you can use. Nice little blocking mechanism here to be able to secure it. And then of course you have your action camera mount here on the bottom. Gives you access, it looks like, to your buttons and controls. And we're going to take a look at this guy in just a second. Last but not least, you have your instruction manual. It is very thick. Should provide you with a ton of information. And stickers. Content creators love their stickers. Oh, loose in the box. SJCAM 32 gig SD card. Don't know if this is an extra SD card or if this is just another one that it actually comes with, or or another one. I see that the the little case that the SD card actually comes in, it must have opened up in shipping, but you do have your SD card here. So for some reason, you don't know if you're looking for your SD card. Be careful when you open up open up the packaging, because your SD card might be a little loose in there. And then this looks like a cover for the lens. Nice little cover, and nice little microfiber cloth to wipe your lens off. So that's pretty much everything that it comes with. I think this is going to be great. I'm going to be trying to use it to film quite a few of my RC vehicles and whatnot, and have fun with them, and really put this guy through a couple of paces, see what we can get out of it as far as good video quality as well. Let's take a look at the camera really quickly, so you don't have to take it off the mount to take the camera out. It took me a little bit of time to figure out how to open this thing, but essentially what you have to do is, where it says open right here, you just have to push it like it says, and then you lift from the front, and then it opens up, and then you can free your camera. Let me tell you, it's in there pretty tightly, because this is a waterproof case. So it takes a little bit of force to get it out. Once you do that, you can pull your camera out, and there you go. Nice little waterproof case there. There's the camera itself. You do have a 1/4 on the bottom for mounting purposes as well. And then screen protective cover. Let's go ahead and peel that off so we can see our screen there. So then we have a micro SD card slot and the USB-C connection there. Then of course the bottom here you have a little button. Pop it open and sure enough you do have a battery installed. So we're gonna have to charge these batteries up. Let's see, they are 1300 milliamp hour LiPo batteries. Really nice looking, nice size little camera. Thanks again for coming by and checking this out with me. Have an absolutely fantastic day and I look forward to seeing you again very soon.